Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make this detangler. I'm so amazed friends, like it has a lot of mileage with only two products. Yes, that is actually aloe vera and fenugreek. So I'm going to show you how you can make it and detangle your hair after a protective hairstyle. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So I'm starting off on a pre-shampooed hair. Actually, I don't rinse out my pre-poo. I proceed to detangle my hair without washing it, because the oils are also going to help us to detangle our hair, like to produce more micelage. So now I'm starting off with 50 grams of our fenugreek. Yes, so fenugreek, it's so great. It has micelage, which we all want. We look for as natural, which helps us to detangle out the knots and the shady hair without much breakage. Because we are trying to retain length, and I'm actually in a protective hairstyle journey for 6 months. I've clocked 2 months. So I've clocked actually 1 month. So now I'm doing all these treatments in preparation to, install another protective hairstyle. You have to make sure that you pre-poo, you deep conditioner, you detangle, you moisturize, you stretch your hair, and actually protect your hair, nourish it before putting it in a protective hairstyle. So I'm pouring in 40 grams of our boiled water or hot water, and then I'm putting it on heat. I've just removed, like, it has to boil so that the micelage can actually come out. So I left it on the heat for 20 minutes and it's ready. Now I'm going to blend it. I'm not just going to use the water because it didn't have much slip. So the slip actually will come from the water as well as the seeds. So make sure that you blend it. I decided to blend it, like I always go back to fenugreek. I've used the conditioner before. So at this point, I'm just getting a wig cap actually to strain. Yes, but of course, I'm not a big fan of wigs. I don't normally, I don't do wigs, but actually, someone bought me these wig caps, and I was like, wow, these will really work well, for straining. Yes, so we had to customize it. Yes, or improvise. So it really, really worked well. And this step actually will help so that you don't have any, residues in your hair after rinsing out your hair, because it will be a marathon, like to remove the residue. So you don't have to skip this important step. And I'm also going to use aloe actually. So those two products, I'm telling you friends, I was amazed in the way they worked. I couldn't believe it. Like there was no mess. Like my hair was so detangled, and I actually didn't have much breakage. You will see at the end of the video. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end and subscribe to our channel, to my 185 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support, and to my viewers, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. So friends, you know what, protective style is a great way to retain length by putting less stress on your hair strands. Allow your crown to rest. However, do know that it is very cardinal to detangle your hair after a protective style. This will actually prevent unnecessary breakage and promote length and hair health. So that is how our fenugreek looks. So we are now getting to our aloe. I've already washed my aloe and I've already removed the yellow latex. I did a video on how you can remove aloe. I'll link that video in the description box below. So I'm just cutting across, and then I'm going to scoop the gel out. And of course, like, I'm not going to blend it because I want that gelish, slimy content. Because usually when I blend, it becomes watery. Now I don't like that. So I love it when it's a jelly. So whenever you want to detangle your falsy hair, make sure that you use products that will give you slip. So aloe gel, like falsy, of course, like hair tends to have a lot of tension and friction in between strands. Hair products that give you slip during detangling process lubricate the hair and makes the strands separate easily. Sufficient amount of slip reduces matting, causing less breakage and damage. So slip is very important when detangling your natural falsy hair. So fenugreek adds moisture to your strands, making them soft and smooth. Its mucilage content provides slipperiness to hair strands, making hair easier to work with little breakage. Aloe vera also contains nutrients that boost hair, prevent itchy scalp, promote hair growth, and it has some mucilage content, which makes it more slippery for hair to be detangled without any breakage, hence promoting hair growth. So now at this point, I've just put our aloe vera gel in our strainer, and I'm going to press against the strainer so that we can actually get more gel. Yes, like I said earlier on, I didn't blend actually because I wanted that mucilage, thick mucilage, so that when we combine it with fenugreek, we won't have a messy process when applying it. So look at that. That's what I was talking about. That is what I want. Yes. So subscribe to our channel if you want to be seeing more of such videos. Then consider subscribing. And actually, I'm going to link most of the videos I have done so that you can check them out, because we are on a healthy hair journey. Like, I want to grow my hair. So now at this point, we are mixing our fenugreek paste with our aloe. Look at that, friends. And I love that beautiful color, that slip. Look at that. That's perfect. Wow. I'm so happy. It's going to work wonders for our hair. So like whatever God made is so, 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 so perfect. Yes. And we praise the Lord, because he has given us many herbs, many blessings that we are happy about. So now I've just gotten my whisker because I wanted it to be well combined so that we actually have that thick slip, so that we don't have any messy when applying it. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that, friends. Look at that. That is beautiful, right? So it's really going to work wonders for our hair. So that is how it looks like after blending. Yes, of course, those bubbles will disappear after some time. So now it's time to detangle our hair. So you have to make sure that you finger detangle. Don't brush. Yes, don't use brushes. But I've seen some naturals, using brushes. If brushes are okay for you, you can go for them. Yes, but removing tangles needs a lot of patience and time. You have to make sure that you set aside time when you're not so busy, when you don't have a lot of workload. And you have to be very sure that you are so patient with detangling so that you don't experience much breakage. Because if you are in a hurry, like, you just rip throughout your hair, which will lead to breakage. Because our goal is to grow our short, medium, natural hair to a certain length. So of course, like, hair grows half an inch per month. So now in this 6-month challenge, I want to retain some inches, and I'm doing all I can in my power, like, to grow my hair. And of course, prayer has been one of my priority. Like I always say, with God, all things are possible. It's God who gave us our crowns. So in whatever state your crown is, you have to embrace it, love it, style it, and take care of it. So make sure that you work in sections. This will really help so that every hair is well detangled. So like, I solely use my hands to detangle my hair and go in with more products. If you feel that your section is not yet tangled very well, you can go in with more products. So like, once you feel that your hair is thoroughly detangled, you can braid that section and then move to another section. So as you can see, like, there are tangles there. As you can see, my hair is tangled there. So I'm going to separate that hair strand and then remove that tangle gently, like so. Have you seen that? Yes, so then I'll proceed, like, now braiding that section, and then I'll go to another section. So detangling hair actually is very, very important. You have to incorporate this in your routine, because hair sheds 50 to 100 strands every day, and if you are losing out hair, like when detangling, It's not something to be worried about unless if your hair is coming out in bigger chunks. Yes, you don't have to be worried. Yes, unless if it's coming out like in bigger chunks. Yes, so like I will show you at the end, like we only had a little bow, friends. So like this detangler worked very well. You can actually comment in the section below if you use, you have ever used aloe and fenugreek together to detangle your hair, or what herbs do you use to detangle your hair. Of course, I have done a video on how you can detangle your hair with a conditioner, with okra, with oil. I'll link all those videos in the description box below. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. Support your friend, support your sister. Yes, subscribe to my channel. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out for videos every day. And on Saturday, that's when I upload Crass Like Lifestyle. So make sure that you check out for Crass Like Lifestyle video on Saturday, or you can check videos which you have done on Crass Like Lifestyle. And I'm glad to let you know that actually I have a second YouTube channel specifically for Crass Like Lifestyle, and I also have a channel on simple natural or DIY products. I'll link the channels in the description box below so that you can check them out. I also have another channel on cross-centered relationships. You can check them out. I'll link them in the description box below. So dear friends, I'll continue like detangling my hair. Watch and make sure that you watch this video until to the end. at this point, friends, like I literally use everything. I'm super, super happy because you know what? This detangle actually worked very well. That is how much a hair, for we experience in some tangles. Look at that. That's so minimal, right? So like on this journey of growing my hair, like I'm doing everything so that I could retain some length. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.